Been working, I've been trying. Some days laughing, some days crying. Holding on when life gets tough. Wondering when enough is enough. Got some dreams inside my heart. Lord, you knew them from the start. I'm not giving up today. I'm still trusting all the way. I may not have it all together, but I know you're by my side. Through the storm and through the pressure, you're the reason I survive. Bless me, Lord, shine on me. Bless me, hear my humble cry. Open doors that no man can close. Lead me where you want me to go. Bless me, Lord, I'm ready now. Bless me, let your favor be seen. I've seen people rise before me. Sometimes that discouraged me, but I'm learning every season has a purpose, has a meaning. When I'm weak, you give me strength. When I'm lost, you take my hand. Every step along the way, you've been faithful every day. I may not have all the answers, I may not know what comes next, but I know the one who holds tomorrow, and that's enough for me. Bless me, Lord, shine on me. Lord, shine on me. Bless me, hear my humble cry. Open doors that no man can close. Lead me where you want me to go. Bless me, Lord, I'm ready now. Bless me, let your favor be seen. Not just money, not just fame. Bless my heart to praise your name. Bless my family, bless my home. Never let me walk alone. Bless my dreams, bless my way. Give me strength for every day. If you did it once before, I know you can do it more. Bless me, Lord, shine on me. Lord, shine on me. Bless me, hear my humble cry. Open doors that no man can close. Lead me where you want me to go. Bless me, Lord, I'm ready now. Bless me, my breakthrough is coming